Recording now.
Yeah.
So next time, voice, quick.
That's it.
We'll get the screws in first, then you can put the nails in, right?
Hi. Hi.
You want to take this back?
I'll just need to put this one on.
Right, can I have one in now?
Oh, can I have one more nail? Just another nail, please. Oh, then for this. They're in the box for this.
Right, where's that hammer set? Where's the hammer gone?
Hammer there.
Let me get it. Let's get this.
I got a video. How do you touch me? Are you supposed to do it? Oh yeah, where's all the hammers?
Right.
There's more hammers in there, but it's
Rich.
just too many if we get 4 or 5 hammers.
Rich, shall I stop? Shall I stop now? Stop.
Ready for that?
Have we got a couple of screws?
So this is my little group here. Jacob, my little apprentice there. We got some guys. So what we're actually doing, we're building planters for the schools. We've made a few. There's one there, and there's another 2 we're building here, and we've got tons of material in there to build a few more as well. These planters are going to be on casters, like little wheels, so they can be pushed around the school and put in different positions. Okay, so this is my Friday afternoon woodwork class.